In this video, we're going to talk about 3 easy steps on how to get started on faceless videos and voiceover in case you just don't want to use your own voice. Why would you want to start a YouTube channel now? Well, the main reason is most people want to do it because they can make money doing a side hustle. You ask yourself, YouTube has been around for a long time. Can you still make money with it? Imagine where Amazon was just 15 years ago, when they were still just selling books, and everybody thought they weren't going to make it. It's a totally different company now. They're not just selling books. They're basically selling everything, so the question is, can you still make money on YouTube? Absolutely. Because YouTube is not like it was 10 years ago, there's so many avenues for making money by building a YouTube channel, and one of the plus things about a YouTube channel is once you get it built, it will always be there. Your videos won't go away like a post on social media. Once your channel meets certain requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money through ads, channel memberships, and merchandise. This can potentially turn your hobby into a huge source of income every month. And this is a short video on how to make faceless YouTube videos in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find the topic or niche that you wish to do a video on and do some research on it. You can look at websites or just go to YouTube and pull up about 3 different videos. Listen to the content, then you can just rewrite it in your own words. Step 2. Find some editing programs like Clipchamp or Canva. Both of these editing programs are free for the most part. Copy your script and place it into the editing program. Inside this editing program, you can search for voiceovers. A voiceover is something you would use instead of your own voice. There are a lot of different voiceover to use. Step 3. After putting your voice into the editing program, you are going to use stock photos to add to the voiceover. To do this, you go to a handful of free stock photo sites. Most popular ones are Pixabay, Pexels, StockSnap. But as you can see, there is a handful of other places you can go if you need that option. Once you find the pictures that you need to coincide with your voiceover, then you just download them into the editing program and add them on the timeline. So for example, if in the script you are talking about time, you can add a picture of a clock or a watch, and you continually do that all through the video, and there you have it, a video you can upload to your YouTube channel without your face or your voice. As I said at the beginning, this is just a short video. I do recommend for you to look for other videos and more detail that will make it easier for you to go step by step, but this is just a starting point. I wish you good luck in your journey.